Hey there! Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many programmers encounter. The issue we're facing is related to the directory structure in a project and how it affects a makefile. So, here's the deal with the problem we're dealing with. After organizing your files and moving the header file f1.h to an include folder, you might run into a frustrating error when trying to compile your code using the makefile. The error message, "No rule to make target f1.h," pops up, causing confusion and headache. But fear not, there is a simple solution to this pesky problem. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help us overcome this obstacle. By tweaking the makefile with a slight adjustment, we can resolve the issue at hand. The key lies in updating the rules for compiling main.o and f1.o to include the path to the header file. This ensures that the compiler knows where to find the necessary header file during the compilation process. By making these changes, we can effectively address the no rule to make target f1.h error and successfully compile our code without any hiccups. Remember, the devil is in the details, and a small modification can make a world of difference in resolving the issue. Building upon the previous solution, let's further explore the revised makefile rules that include the path to the header file. By specifying the path to the header file using the variable include, we ensure that the compiler can locate the necessary header file for both main.o and f1.o. This modification streamlines the compilation process and eliminates any ambiguity regarding the location of the header file. With these updated rules in place, we can compile our code seamlessly and avoid any roadblocks along the way. Problem solved, and we're back on track with our project. In conclusion, by adjusting the makefile to include the path to the header file, we have successfully resolved the error that was hindering our compilation process. Addressing the no rule to make target f1.h issue was as simple as updating the rules for compiling main.o and f1.o. By incorporating the path to the header file in the makefile, we have ensured a smooth and error-free compilation process. And there you have it, a straightforward solution to a common problem faced by many programmers. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!